Directorate of School Education and Literacy Mikhalia Nikasngi Glapenlong Yaka valedictory function of the Rajya Staria Balvaikiani Pradhan Sani Arjar Arpsan Arpunrio Lanik State Level Science Mathematics and Environment Exhibition Nagabantagi Khna Halor ka theme STEM for Viksit and Atmanirbhar Bharat Ha ka Meghalaya Bharat Scout and Guide Campus ha Nongba Shillong Abakray Nagari Kasngi Nagalang Menteri Madaipet Yakatanat Puli Pati Ulakman Ramboy Ulai Kublai Kerpang Yagi Khna School Kinohi Kai Kibalawan Bani Shimanta Man Penpau Yakasap Kabamaki Kidon Langba Kajing Pen Inam Kabala Penlong Hne Kasngi Susu Ulaong Bapidon Hangne Manta Namar Pidon Yakata Kajing Tip Bat Kajing Slur Ban Pen I Yaki Kam Kiba Pi Pidon Ulong Bakini Kilong Kibadon Kampa Naga Banta Ban Tau Mat Pen Klang Ya Karihi Barok Away Uba Ramboy Ulakantu Ya Kisamla Puli Kamtam Yaki Khna School Baginang Traisitam Bat Ban Pen I Yala Kajong Kasap Kapong Kabamaki Kidon Ha Kibanta Kibaper Ban Kentiu Ya Kajala Mikhalaya.
As you can see, these are the main components of the system. First is the surgeon's console. This is where the surgeon sits and operates using master controls while viewing a magnified 3D image of the surgeon's side provided by the robotic camera. The movements of the surgeon from the console are then transmitted to the robotic arms, which replicate them accurately and seamlessly in real time. In simple words, the surgeon controls the robot from the console, and the robotic arms copy the surgeon's movements with high precision. Next is the patient part. It is robotic arms that can rotate up to 360 degrees. One arm holds a high-definition 3D camera, and the other arms hold different surgical instruments. And this is the computer control tower that processes and transmits data signals between the surgeon and the robot. This system helps surgeons perform complex procedures with smaller cuts, less pain, and faster recovery time for patients.
What is hydroelectricity power plant near your place? What is the name of hydroelectric power plant near your place? Near to us? Great. Kami sibling Kano here. Good. Which class?
10.
All the best.
When the water is released from this reservoir, its potential energy converts into kinetic energy. Then the fast flowing water strikes the turbine, causing it to rotate. This rotating turbine converts the kinetic energy into mechanical energy. Here, this turbine is connected to the generator. When the turbine rotates, the generator automatically...
This is mathematics part. So our concept behind this is to help children learn and explore mathematics through this mathematics part, because children at a young age, they like to play, right? So if we have this mathematics part, they can also learn at the same time. Here we have around the part, we have basic concepts. We have a Pythagoras square area model using the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We have a set of swings and a merry-go-round to represent fractions. We have here a slide and a seesaw. The seesaw represents a balance equation so that the children can learn where to sit according to their weights.
Coming here to the state level for the Rajya Staria Balvaikiani Pradarshani has been a wonderful and unforgettable experience for me. I feel very proud and happy to represent my school and district on such a big platform. This journey has taught me many new things. I got the opportunity to meet all the talented students from each district and school, seeing the creative ideas and innovative designs or projects inspired me to think scientifically and explore more about science, mathematics, and environment and its importance in our daily life. This experience has helped me become more confident and responsible. I learned how to explain my ideas clearly and work with dedication. It also taught me that success comes through hard work, dedication, and discipline. The exhibition atmosphere is very inspiring because it encourages young students like us to think scientifically and develop innovative ideas for our society. I feel proud to represent my school and be part of such a wonderful event. All the participants also got the opportunity to visit the STEM lab Nectar, where we all learned about robotics, electronics, and DIY projects. It was a very interesting and wholesome experience for all of us. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the government of Meghalaya and the Directorate of School Education and Literacy for organizing this wonderful event and giving us such a valuable opportunity. Thank you.
On behalf of the department, I congratulate you all. I congratulate the teachers who escorts the student or who help the student in the planning and in the doing the things which they are exhibiting. My dear student, you are here today because you have some ideas. You are here today because you know something. And we are here today because of the confidence in the ideas that you have and in the things what you are doing. That's why you are here. If it is not because of those three, you will not be here. You may have an idea, but you don't have the confidence to showcase your idea. You may have the mind to do things, but it remains only in your mindset without showing the things to us. But because you have the ideas, because you have the confidence, you are here today. And this is the thing which India won from each one of us. We cannot make a Viksit Bharat by 2027 until and unless we have the ideas, we have the capability, we have the capacity, and we have the platform to do, and more importantly, we have the confidence to do it. The government of India, the government of Meghalaya, we are working together to give you the platform. The platform is not because of this exhibition. This exhibition is just an exhibition. But through this, with the confidence you have, we know that you can make it big. And when I talk big, that means it is, I don't know what you will make it, because it is up to you. So my dear friend, today the world is no more, there is no boundaries in gaining knowledge, and there is no limit to get knowledge, to empower yourself, and to reskill yourself. So it is up to you. And we see the power of science, how it transforms life, and how it will transform life. We have seen how the Gulf War has been fought. Those times when CNN telecast about the Gulf War, the war between Iran and Iran. And we see every day how it's happening. How many troops have been killed? How many people have been killed? But we see this ongoing war between Israel and Iran. How technology transformed the art of warfare. Till today, in spite of so many missiles, in spite of so many bombed by the jet, navy, we have seen that the loss of human life is very limited. And more importantly, the intervention of human army, human force is very limited. All they are doing through technology. That's why science, technology, it is a very, very important. And we have seen how artificial intelligence, it may overtake us. Who knows? We have seen the day-to-day life, how this artificial intelligence, how the power of science and technology transform life, make life easier, and more importantly, help us in unity. I have seen in all the exhibits which you, my dear student, you have explained. I have seen, you know, that how you, what you are doing and how you do. And I have seen in you, you are very talented. You know. And more importantly, what that student, I forgot your name, the one who spoke just now, that when she come here, she get an ideas. From North Karo, she got ideas of South Karo, of East Jaitia, of West Jaitia, of East Kazakh, so on and so forth. And we have seen also through your exhibit how the solar energy was transformed into electrical energy, how electrical energy is transformed to mechanical energy, how mechanical energy is transformed to mechanical. That shows that the ideas which you gain today, in these 2 days, it is like those energy. It may be a solar energy, it may be a electrical energy, it may be a mechanical energy, it may be a wind energy for you to enrich your knowledge. So we have seen, even science also, they are collaborating. So you also, this platform, when you see that the student from South Karo Hills, what is his idea? And what is idea of this? If you could combine this light, how to transform the wind energy into electrical energy, into mechanical energy, and so on and so forth. So in science, it is not one, never in silo. It is always acted with the, so to say, synchronized mechanism. So my dear student, I am very confident that you have the ideas, you have the talent, and your teachers, they will help you. And more importantly, in Meghalaya, with the under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, we have seen so many platforms have been there in the state of Meghalaya for you to explore. Don't think that, now what can I do? It gone other days when it's a top-bottom approach. Now even you can approach bottom-up. If you have an idea, Chief Minister is there to help you in whatever way which he can do. And not only that, we have the system in India, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, to enable you. Because we cannot make, as I said before, we cannot make a big Sikh Bharat by 2047 until and unless we, the government, empower you. That's why by 2047, the plan of the government is that to empower the citizen in everything they do, to make them self-confident, to be able to shine. And our honorable chief ministers have a dream of 10 billion economy by 2032. Who will transform that? It is you, every citizen of the state. Every citizen of the state, we can work together. Every citizen of the state, we can work as a citizen of India to work together that we become a Viksit Bharat by 2047. God bless you all.